Kim Betts was all set to perform here on the Suncoast in September, but then that annoying distraction known as Hurricane Irma got in the way. Well, now Kim's concert has been rescheduled, and she's here today with her Sugarland tribute band to give us a preview in Sounds of the Suncoast. Take it away, Kim.
Saw them holding hands, knew he was a married man. Did he forget the ring on his own finger? Wife had a baby on the way. Friends all said he had it made. Gave it all up for some hussy country singer. It's on every.com, so it must be true. The internet wouldn't lie to you. So sit back and watch the winners lose. Everybody wants to know everybody's business. Everybody need a ticket to the show. Everybody claim to be an eyewitness. You feel bigger when they smile and act like you're above it all. You want to know, know you want to know.
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 Smile sweet in the magazine. Perfect fit in skinny jeans. Knows damn well the message that she's sending. I heard her secret to a nice size 4. What goes on behind the bathroom door? She don't care long as Twitter says she's trending. But the picture in the paper wasn't quite so bright. In the smile that came in the DUI. Watching them fall can really get you high. Everybody wants to know everybody's business. Everybody need a ticket to the show. Everybody claim to be an eyewitness. You feel bigger when they're small and act like you're above it all. You want to know, do you want to know?
Know you want to know.
You know you want to know.
Know you want to know.
You know you want to know.
Know you want to know.
Fantastic. Oh, I've heard so much about you. I'm so
energy.
excited to meet you.
Well, thank you.
Now,
Thank you.
your
Nice to meet
father is Dickie Betts with the Allman Brothers.
That's right, he is. Oop.
He set the standards pretty high when you started out as a little girl doing this.
Well, I never thought of it that way. I just watched Dad perform all the time, and it was fun, and I got to do all kinds of exciting things that a lot of young performers never get to do, and I didn't think much of it until I got older. And I realized being behind the set at Johnny Carson's shows and, you know, meeting like, you know, Steven Spielberg and all these people wasn't normal.
Yeah, you have to sing with the very best ones.
So, you know, but I didn't start singing until later in life. I started out as an actor, so did a lot of community theater.
Later in life.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much. We want everybody to know now you can see her now that the hurricane's gone. Kim Betts and her Sugarland Tribute Band on Saturday, November 11th at the Manatee Performing Arts Center. For tickets, go to their website. Next, we're going to try Pilates for a workout Wednesday. But first, would you play us out? Can we hear some more?
Sure. Let's do another one, guys.